what's up guys, it's Phil here. On today's video, we'll be showing you guys the Smittybilt Awning system, and this is the 2787 model. We went ahead and got this from Overlanded, so if you guys need any equipment or any gear, make sure you guys head on over there. I'll drop a link below. What I like about this awning system is actually very budget friendly. Compared to the last awning system I had from ARB, that system was about $500. The brackets that I had to get was about another $150. This system was about $230. Not only that, but it came with universal mounts so that you're able to apply this to several applications. Because I had the Gobi setup and the iCamper setup, it was a little bit different to reconfigure, but with a little bit of fabrication, we were able to get this done. So if you want to see the whole install video, make sure you guys watch till the end. But now I'm going to go ahead and set this up for the very first time. It's a heavy duty cover. It has 4 Velcro straps to hold the awning in place. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and slide these extension poles out. These are the side supports. Let's go ahead and get these installed first. So just like my previous ones, you just twist the poles and then they'll lock into place, so you get it to the right position and you just twist. Twist to unlock. Again, we'll line up the holes and you just twist to lock in. Now the legs fold down. I'll tackle one at a time. Twist. Twist to lock. Twist to lock. Okay, now I have it set up. Now I want to do some fine adjustments. Velcro the top down. It'll protect that against the wind. So let's see, I have it pretty parallel to the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the clearance here. My car is lifted 2.5 inches. It's about 6'5". So this is the awning system. Lightweight aluminum poles. Couple Velcro straps to hold everything in place. It's pretty nice, especially only $230. Definitely a nice budget system from a reputable brand like Smittybilt. I can't wait to take this outdoors and give it a shot. The last time I was at the Colorado River, it was really hot and I wish I had the awning system. So this is definitely gonna be a huge plus when we go out there. Let's go ahead and retract. So there you go, it's pretty easy, one person can do it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit like, make sure you guys hit subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.